Before me took my first breath, a battle was waiting. Before me spoke my first word, a judgment was written. Before them know my name, them fear me reflection. Yet Jah made no mistake when he made me black. The world a fight me over me black skin, from the day me born till the day me begin. Some see a threat when them looking at my face, like me existence alone is out of place. Me carry ancestors from my back every day. Kings and queens, they tried to take away. Chains couldn't break them, ships couldn't drown them, lies couldn't erase them. Still me stand among them. Every scar got a story, every story got a name. Every name got a struggle, and every struggle leave a flame. The world a fight me over me black skin, still Jah light burn deep within. They can wound the flesh, but never the soul, cause black is not a color, black is a story untold. The world a fight me over me black skin, still me rise again and again. Every mountain they build, every wall they defend, me was born to overcome them. Them teach fear before them teach truth, pass hatred down from old to youth. Judge me future from my history book, never seeing the man beneath the look. Yet me hands build cities, my mind shape dreams, my blood run through history more than it seems. Every road me walk, me feel them watching. Every success me reach, me hear them questioning. But me refuse to shrink to fit another man's comfort. If Jah put stars in the heavens, why would me hide me light? If Jah make mountains stand tall, why would me bow tonight? Oh, the world a fight me over me black skin, still Jah light burn deep within. They can wound the flesh, but never the soul, cause black is not a color, black is a story untold. The world a fight me over me black skin, still me rise again and again. Every mountain they build, every wall they defend, me was born to overcome them. Black like the sky where life begin, black like the universe before the stars, black like the roots of every mighty tree, black and beautiful enough for Jah to choose for me. Them call it weakness, Jah call it strength. Them call it less, Jah call it enough. Them fought the reflection, but could never fight me spirit. The world a fight me over me black skin, still me rise, still me win. Not because the battle easy, but because me ancestors live within. The world a fight me over me black skin, still me sing through everything. And if tomorrow bring another storm, me know where my strength begin. Me I'm the dream of people who were told not to dream. Me I'm the prayer of people who never stop believing. The world a fight me over me black skin, and still me stand. From the plantation to the prison, from the slave ship to the boardroom, different century, same fight. The world a da. The world a fight me over me black skin. Long before today, long before me begin. History written in blood and pain. Yet here we stand and rise again. From Kingston streets to African soil, from Chicago blocks to fields with tile. Same struggle, wear a different face. Same battle happen in every place. Them take the gold, them take the land. Them take the language till we stand. How many times must our people prove that greatness live in everything we do? How many chains must our people break before the world finally awake? The world have fight me over. The black skin still jump fire burn within. They try to bury generations deep, but roots too strong beneath. The world have fight me over. The black skin still we rise again and again. Every empire come and fade away, but we remain. They fear the knowledge, they fear the truth, they fear the power hidden in the youth. Teach us division, then blame the pain. Profit from the wounds, then study the strain. Yeah, yet every culture touch our hands. Every rhythm travel every land. Every language carry our sound, even when they try to hold us down. The story bigger than one nation, bigger than one flag, bigger than one generation. Oh, the world have fight me over. Me black skin still jack fire burn within. They try to bury generations deep, but roots too strong beneath. The world have fight me over. Me black skin still we rise again and again. Every empire come and fade away, but we remain. Who built the roads? Who built the ports? Who built the cities? Who built the wealth? Who carried the burden? Who carried the dream? And who still standing? Black is not weakness. Black is survival. Black is memory. Black is resilience. Black is tomorrow. The world have fight me over. Me black skin still jar fire burn within. Every scar become a lesson learned. Every loss become a bridge we cross.